Hi everyone, my name is Steve Thomas Gamer and welcome back. Today I'm gonna play Slimer. Yes, you heard me. Slimer is a good game. So if you get 1,000 coins to get this chest, like this one, you can get decorations like choco beans and pink color, and then you can create your own slimes. Is it amazing? So yeah, today we're gonna make a slime. So the slime I'm gonna pick, which one? I guess like snow. Put some glue. Whatever that stuff is. Some glitter. Some instant snow. We got activator. Let's do everything. And then make it to snow. I can add any color I want. So probably I'm picking some cool looking stuff called navy blue. Let's see how it turns out in the results. Wow, looks amazing. Yes, it looks amazing in this color. So, has some, has some chocolate bits all over it, cause it's gonna be special. It's gonna be a special one. I'm gonna add double chocolate. I'm gonna make it sweet. I'm gonna make it sweet slime. Add some candy corns and stuff. I'm gonna add some candy corns. So there we go. We finished my slime. My slime is done. Also, this is a video. Also, this game is a cool. This is my sponsor. It's amazing. You should download it for yourself on the Google App Store. If you have a phone, at least. It's not in the link in the description, but still. The game is called Magic Tiles 3 Piano Game. So if you want to play that game for yourself, you can download it on the App Store if you want to. Yep, now back into Slimer. So, now probably at least this game is amazing. Probably you can customize your own slimes. And yes, all this stuff. And yeah, I got all of this. There's so many more slimes I need to find in chests, but luckily I got 7,000 coins, so I can get some new stuff like Fluffy. I got Fluffy. Nice new slime ever created. So yeah, you can download this game yourself on the Google App Store. Then, if you don't have a phone, ask your parents to buy one. So, if it's your birthday, you can ask your parents to buy you a phone. I got rhinestones. I got new color, pale pink, and I got rhinestones. That's cool. Earbuds. Earbuds. Who adds earbuds to the slime? At least 50 coins I got. Talking about cool stuff. So this one, 200 coins and beige. Beige. This is cool. But still, it's just beige. What's the problem, guys? But lollipops and magenta. So yeah, I like magenta and lollipops. Oh, full crown. Oh, that's a good one. Pearl. Let's go. I got a pearl. Got another slime. Pearl. My last chest I had to spend my coins on. But still, I'm gonna use pearl. You need glue. You need clear glue. Baby oil. Pearl patient powder. How do we find that? Activator, always. Stir all together, and it's like slime now. It's like stupid looking stuff. Royal purple. So in the backrooms, they are like killing moths to get moth jelly in the escape the backrooms game. I'm not gonna add none because it's just no designs. I don't want to share it because it won't be good. I'm not gonna share it. I'm gonna name them. So in the game, it's called in Escape the Bathrooms. It's called moth jelly. So yeah, I made this moth jelly. So now so I got 1,000 coins and spend it. Let's see what I'm gonna get this time. Pond green. Let's go. So yeah, lots of stuff are new in this game. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make more slimes in I've record. So probably. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And probably I'm gonna get the rest of these things like poo, rocket ship, fried eggs, waffle cubes, cookies, highball, chocolate balls, hot dogs, and all that stuff. And yes, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and see you in the next video. Bye.